If you're seeing the x.com or Twitter login error that says attestation denied, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you the fastest ways to fix it on web or PC. This issue usually happens when X can't verify your device, your browser session, or even your network path. The good news is that there are a few simple fixes you can try right away, and most of them only take a minute or two. Before we jump in, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, let's talk about the easiest workaround, which is using the forgot password method. A lot of the time, if you try logging in normally, X throws the attestation error before the session is even created. Resetting your password can force the site to generate fresh authentication cookies, and that can bypass the issue. To do this, go to the X login page and enter your username or email address. Then click Forgot Password. After that, enter your email, phone number, or X username and click Next. Follow the instructions on the screen to receive your verification code and reset your password. Once the reset is complete, try logging in again with the new credentials. In many cases, this is enough to get past the error. If that doesn't work, the next thing you should do is clear your browser cache and cookies. Outdated or corrupted cookies can confuse the login process and trigger the attestation denied message. On Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, press Ctrl-Shift-Delete on Windows or Command-Shift-Delete on Mac. In the clear browsing data window, set the time range to all time. Make sure cookies and other site data is checked, and also check cached images and files. Then click Clear Data. After that, fully close your browser, open it again, and try signing into X one more time. This fresh start often fixes login problems that are caused by old session data. Now, if the issue is still there, test the login in an incognito or private window. Sometimes browser extensions like ad blockers, privacy tools, or VPN extensions interfere with X's security checks. Open a new incognito window with Ctrl-Shift-N on Windows or Command-Shift-N on Mac, then go back to X and try logging in there. If the login works in incognito mode, that's a strong sign that one of your normal browser extensions is the problem. In that case, go back to your regular window, click the puzzle icon in the top right, and temporarily disable suspicious extensions one by one until you find the one causing the conflict. Another important fix is checking your network and IP address. X can sometimes block logins from VPNs, school networks, office Wi-Fi, or other restrictive connections because they look unusual or automated. If you're using a VPN, disconnect it and try again. If possible, switch to a normal home network or use mobile data hotspot from your phone. A different network path can immediately resolve the attestation error. Also, if X is having a wider outage, the problem may not be on your end at all. You can check Downdetector and search for X to see if other users are reporting the same login issue. If there's a spike in reports, the best fix may simply be waiting a little while and trying again later. So to quickly recap, if X or Twitter is showing attestation denied, try resetting your password, clearing your browser cache and cookies, testing in incognito mode, disabling extensions, and switching off any VPN or restrictive network. One of those steps usually gets the account login working again. If this video helped you fix the problem, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.